Merci. Nous passons à Madame Anderson. Une minute.
The right of privilege and protection of personal information is under threat in a number of areas. The arrests on Monday of 16 individuals, including 12 lawyers representing Basque political prisoners, is contemptible. Money has also been seized during coordinated raids at several locations, including trade union offices. Everyone is entitled to legal representation, and lawyers must be allowed to carry out their work without state interference and intimidation. Unfortunately, in Ireland, we know all too well what can happen when the state tries to prevent human rights lawyers from carrying out their work. The killings of human rights lawyers Pat Finucane and Rosemary Nelson, carried out by loyalist gangs in collusion with British state agents, illustrates exactly what can happen when states attempt to frustrate justice. Thank you.
Merci Madame. Pour terminer, Monsieur Corrao pour une minute également.
Grazie Presidente. Bene, io non sono d'accordo